Fix Forza Horizon 6 FCH01 error code on PC, 10 working solutions. 1. Restart your PC in game. Close Forza Horizon completely. Restart your computer, launch the game again, check if FCH01 error is fixed. Number 2. Verify game files. Open Steam or Xbox app, go to your game library, right-click Forza Horizon, open Properties, select Verify integrity of game files, wait for repair process, relaunch game. Number 3. Update graphics drivers, press Windows X, open Device Manager, expand Display Adapters, right-click GPU, select Update Driver, restart PC after update. Hammer 4. Disable overlays. Disable Discord overlay, turn off Xbox Game Bar, close MSI Afterburner/Riva Tuner, restart the game. 5. Run game as administrator. Right-click Forza Horizon shortcut, select Run as administrator, allow permissions, test game again. Number 6. Reset graphics settings. Open NVIDIA Control Panel or AMD software. Restore default settings, disable overclocking, launch game again. Navershark 7. Install latest Windows updates. Open Settings, go to Windows Update, click Check for Updates, install all updates, restart system. Harik 8. Reinstall gaming services. Open PowerShell as administrator. Run get Apex package Microsoft.gaming services, remove Apex packaged as losers, restart PC, reinstall gaming services from Microsoft Store. 9. Delete temporary cache files, press Windows R, type destent 10%, delete temporary files, empty recycle bin, restart game. Number 10. Reinstall the game, uninstall Forza Horizon, restart your PC, download and install the game again, launch with fresh files.